Hey guys, look, today to answer your question, we are doing a shorter version of our most viewed video on this channel, which is our sash video. There was someone who had a question about how we create our slanted end on one of the sashes, and we've decided to do this just to answer your question. We want to use this time to say thank you to our subscribers, thank you to our regular viewers. Thank you for your questions, your comments, your like, your shares. Thank you for subscribing, and we ask that for those of you who are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to our channel. Please, there's a lot to learn on this channel. We're just a small channel, but we do our best to give you the most simplest way to solve problems when it comes to sewing, crafting, or embroidery. We share with you a lot of secrets on this channel that you would not regret being a part of. So we just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and please help us to share our videos. Just give them a thumbs up. That way it helps YouTube to push our videos out to others who have not seen them and might have similar questions that you have. So we just want to say thank you so much, and let's keep learning together. One of my sash videos. This is just a follow-up of something somebody wanted to see. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave the link somewhere up here so you can check it out, because it's more detailed. You will be able to get more explanation and detail step by step about how to create my sashes in there. So this is just a quick follow-up. I'm actually in a hurry to do this one, so I can't make it doing a detailed video right now. I'm just flipping it inside out. So I flipped it inside out, and I'm just gonna do my slanting and cut it. Just want to chuck. I'm just tired, guys. I'm tired. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, just please do so. You won't regret it. There's a lot of good stuff on there. Matter of fact, this is our 100th video. Yeah, we hit 100 with this video. So, and this is actually our sash video. We have the most detailed professional sash video on YouTube, and so it's the most viewed video on our channel. And that's one of the reasons why it's the most viewed video, because we the only channel, I will tell you this, that have the professional sash thoroughly done on YouTube. So you will not regret it. There's a lot of good things on this channel. Check out the entire channel for more. So somebody wanted to know how to do the slant to cut. This is how you cut, and you just go and stitch it. And that's all it is to it. So I'm going now, and I'm just going to stitch on the wrong side. I'm going to stitch it like this, and that's how I'm going to do this one, because I'm in a hurry. This is it, guys. That's all it is to it. I hope you can see this. So right now I'm just going to iron it properly. I'm just going to iron it. You just want to iron on steam iron and make sure everything is relaxed and in place. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Help us to get to our first 1,000 subscribers. We're struggling, we're dragging to get there, but I know you guys going to help us get there. I know we're going to do it together. Thank you so much. God bless you.